Canine Training Emerald Coast. Here today with me I have Evie. What's up, Mama? Evie is a roughly 4.5-year-old mini Goldendoodle. She is from a rescue. She's had a rough life to start out with. She does have some issues going on at home. Not always getting along with the other dog, kind of attacking the other dog randomly. She has nipped at the groomer and stuff before, drawing some blood. Just a lot of it seems very fear-based. So we're gonna try to build some confidence here over these next 2 weeks for her board and train and really get down some foundational skills. Let's go ahead and see what she knows. Evie, come. Good, mama. Evie, sit. Good, yes. Sit. Down. Down. Good, mama. No, he's a belly. Good girl. Evie, place. Place. Yes, mama. Evie, heel. Good. Okay. All right, y'all. Well, that's where Evie's at. Check back in 2 weeks and see where we get.